Hi, welcome to 504 Absolutely Essential Words. This is Teacher JR from Camglish.com. Today we're going to take some exercises on lesson 11. And we will start with fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Let's hit it. The old man had lived for 7 blank. The old man had lived for 7 decades. That means 70 years. Let's have number 2. He had a blank that someday there would be peace on earth. He had the vision that someday there would be peace on earth. Number 3. Only a blank of the senators were against welfare. Only a minority of the senators were against welfare. Number 4. No one has ever had even a blank of the future. No one has ever had even a glimpse of the future. Number 5. People used to think it was a blank idea that human beings could ever fly. People used to think that it was an absurd idea that human beings could ever fly. Number 6. We make blank visits to Florida in the winter. We make frequent visits to Florida in the winter. Number 7. If you have any questions, don't blank to ask. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Number 8. There was only a blank man on the beach. There was only a solitary man on the beach. Number 9. The blank was over the high cost of bread. The conflict was over the high cost of bread. Number 10. Blank studies have shown that the cost of living has gone up rapidly. Recent studies have shown that the cost of living has gone up rapidly. Number 11. The gun alone was blank enough to convict the killer. The gun alone was evidence enough to convict the killer. And number 12. The stories Henry told people about his adventures turned out to be merely blank. The stories Henry told people about his adventures turned out to be merely fiction. Now, let's have the matching type. So match the 12 new words in column 1 with the definitions in column 2. So let's take a look at these 12 words again. So first one we have vision. So the definition of vision is sense of sight. Number 2, we have fiction. So the definition of fiction is that which is imagined or made up. Number 3, frequent. The definition of frequent is happening often. Number 4, absurd. The definition is plainly not true or sensible. Number 5, minority. The definition is small number or part. Number 6, evidence. The definition is that which makes clear the truth or falsehood of something. Number 7, conflict. The definition is direct opposition. Number 8, decade. The definition is 10 years. Number 9, we have glimpse. The definition of glimpse is a short, quick view. Then we have recent. Recent. The definition is occurring not long ago. Number 11, we have solitary. The definition of solitary is alone. And number 12, we have hesitate. The definition of hesitate is fail to act quickly. Isn't that easy? Okay, so to end this episode, we're going to have our spotlight on. So our vocabulary for spotlight on is absurd. Okay, here is another example of the ways in which original meanings changed through the centuries. So at first, absurd meant quite deaf. Its Latin roots also had the meanings of out of tune, harsh, rough, finally developing into silly or senseless. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, maybe you can check out those other 11 vocabularies in this lesson and see their origin. You might find it interesting. Anyway, see you again guys for the next episode. Have a great day.